excited to kind of be here to be your host. My name is Mark Trang. I am from LivePerson, responsible for the platform business for LivePerson. And welcome to the first ever e-commerce developer day here at the Plug and Play Tech Center. A lot of us, I think, as employees and as people here in Silicon Valley take for granted the growth trajectory of e-commerce. And some of the research indicated that it's going to be a $200 billion online transaction market this year alone. And in about 15 years, from the first time someone purchased something online to $200 billion, that's an enormous growth rate. And underpinning all of that is the web. So the web has become kind of the platform that really defines this generation of developers. Fewer and fewer developers coming out of computer science programs around the world are wanting to be mainframe or client-server developers, obviously. They're building applications for the web and all the different categories around the web. So we're very, very focused on designing an event to help advance that state of the art and actually push forward the web and e-commerce from a developer perspective. At the same time, however, we knew that the web is not owned and doesn't belong to one company or even a few companies. That belongs to everybody here, both as consumers, as individual users, and people who use the internet in our daily lives, and also as developers, right? So a lot of us in our professional lives build applications surrounding the internet, surrounding the web. So we wanted to actually create an event that was more than just about us as a company, which is why we actually decided to reach out to our friends at PayPal and Magento, who are other online e-commerce platform leaders, just like LivePerson, and put together this event for you. So hopefully you get a lot out of it today. As a user, obviously, the web is forcing us to think about doing things faster, more conveniently, more securely. And as companies interacting with consumers online, you're thinking about ways to effectively sell and service your customers. Where does that leave the developer, all of you in the crowd? Where does that leave the entrepreneur, the startup guys thinking about what are the angles for me? I'm not obviously the first guy to figure out a way to sell something online. So how do I take my intellectual property and take my code and sell it to new customers, to sell my applications to new customers? And that's what really inspired this event. Kind of the tagline for this event is your code, our customers. So LivePerson obviously has lots of customers. We have 8,500 customers around the world. PayPal and Magento as well have tens of thousands, if not more, customers between them. And we want to help you, the individual developer, the startup community, the entrepreneur, take a lot of the intellectual property and innovation that you're creating, whether it's here at the Plug and Play Center or elsewhere in Silicon Valley, and actually bring it and introduce it to our customers. And how can we help inspire you to do that? So hopefully you'll take away a couple things today. Today is about inspiring innovation. It's about sharing success. And ultimately, it's about connecting communities, whether you were part of the PayPal community and now just hearing for the first time about LivePerson, or part of the Magento community and vice versa. We want everyone to feel like they're in this together. We own the web, and it's what we make of it and the innovation that we bring to it that's really going to advance that state of the art.